Fed up with Vidiq and ready to cut ties for good? I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Vidiq account in a few simple steps. First, make sure you're logged into your Vidiq account. Go to the Vidiq website and sign in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, look for your profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page. Now, scroll down the settings page. You'll need to find the Delete Account button. It's typically located at the very bottom of the page and may be labeled as Delete Account, Close Account, or something similar. Clicking the Delete button will trigger a confirmation pop-up. Read the message carefully, as deleting your account is permanent and irreversible. If you're absolutely sure, click the Yes, Delete Account or equivalent confirmation button. After confirming, you'll likely see a confirmation message indicating that your account deletion is in progress. The account deletion process is complete. You're all done.